If you have an excavator within the size range of 1 ton all the way up to 36 ton, and you're chasing a ripper that you can trust, rely on, and will outperform all of your expectations, cutting through the hard Aussie terrain, making it look like butter, stick around. We're gonna go over the attached to heavy duty ripper and how this is gonna be the next ripper that you're always gonna use. Hey guys, Lachlan here from Attached to Equipment, and today we're going to be going over our heavy duty ripper. Now, we want to show you how effective this ripper is and how we've designed it specifically to work with your machine, giving you that ultimate performance when you're out in the field, and ultimately making ripping up that debris, material, whatever it is, a breeze. So stick around, let's go over the features now. A very important feature of our heavy duty ripper is the wear resistant cheek plating we've put on this. Now it's very thick material covering as much as possible there, meaning for you as an operator you will experience longer lifetime of this unit. Of course, greater return on investment, less downtime. That's always front of mind for us when it comes to a ripper, because these really do take a beating at the end of the day. So the flow curve is actually a specific design we've implemented in all of our rippers. So that's this curve here. So what this does is it gives you the optimal leverage that you can possibly get from the performance of this unit, but it works with the geometry of your boom. So it's a natural digging motion, making sure that it's not fighting against the machine, it's working with the machine. So to increase our strength and longevity of this unit as well, another factor we've done is made sure it's a single piece tyne unit. And of course, if you're comparing it to another ripper that is jigsaw welded together, of course there would be over time some weak points there. Now being a single piece, it does give you the ability to have a longer lifetime. Now our tooth adapter is actually spliced into the tyne instead of being butt welded on. So what this will do is it will evenly distribute the leverage and obviously the force onto the ripper here, instead giving more strength to the unit and increasing the durability of this attachment as well. This is a Cat J series tooth as well. So it is quite a big tooth for the unit, making sure that when you pierce the ground, the opening point is a lot wider, so that on the sides of the unit, there'll be less wear, less drag. Of course, that will help with your fuel burn. And these are very easily accessible, so that's another point as well. You know, they're gonna take some damage, so you may need to replace them in the future. If you have to, you will find them very easily. Here at Attached To, we back our customers, and we wanna give you the ultimate support. Therefore, every bucket from Attached To will be under our industry-leading 3-year warranty. So that's 3 years on all material and manufacturing defects, as well as 12 months on hydraulic components. Now, when we're talking about pricing, our 1 ton range will start around $600, and then you go up to our 36 ton range, it will be over $8,000. Now look, this of course depends on any modifications that need to be done, anything that you want added to it, and of course the packages you put that in as well. We know for you as an earth moving professional, you need attachments that's going to give you the greatest return on your investment. Now here at Attached To, we have made sure to design and supply only the top tier quality of buckets, grabs and hitches. So if you're in the market for any more attachments, be sure, give us a call, send us an email, and we will help you find your next performance package. With quality service and reliable backup support, you can count on Attached To be your true single source attachment supplier.